High above a cheerful village floats a magical little cloud named Puffy. Puffy loves to giggle every time someone laughs below. One sunny morning, children were playing ball, and the ball bounced so high it hit Puffy. The cloud sneezed a tiny raindrop rainstorm. The drops tickled the children and made funny splashes. Soon, a curious duck waddled in, quacking in surprise. Then the cloud giggled and made the duck's quack echo like a trumpet. The entire village laughed, trees shook with giggles, and even the sun seemed to smile. Puffy the cloud danced in the sky, showering happy raindrops over everyone. That day became known as the Happy Rain Day.